Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is coming from Lenovo. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what they have to offer besides this item. And they got everything you need. From PC gaming laptops, all-in-one desktops, you name it. Click the link, check them out. They got sales going on all week. Also, get ready for Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. And now this is going to be the Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO 3i all-in-one desktop. It comes with a mouse and keyboard, 27-inch full HD display, Windows 11, 16 gig memory, 512 gigabyte storage, Intel Core 15 or i5. Sorry about that. And like I said, this is going to be the 27-inch. Look at that. So easy to set up. You got a power adapter, and you got the thing to hook up the cords in the back. There it is. Here we go. Look at that screen. Bam. I mean, this thing is amazing, guys. Wait till you see it in action. That's my old computer right there. The old Lenovo. And now this is a new one. It tilts. I should have worn my gloves. It has a camera for your zoom. There you go, right there. There's a little tape right there. You gotta have to remove it. See that blue little sticker? Just peeled off. No big deal. Here we go. It has a nice looking base. And now here's the back. I'm going to show you the ports. I think it has like two USB 2.0 and 3.0 LAN, and also HDMI. Really nice. So Lenovo. There you go. I thought this was a charging base, but I just think you could put your phone there. So still pretty cool. But yeah, a little smudge there. Totally forgot my gloves. But yeah, it's easy to install and set up, so you should have no issues. Here's a keyboard. This is like the generic. I'm using my Red Dragon, so this is going to be put aside just in case, maybe for emergency use or who knows what. I'll figure it out. But there's a mouse. Comes with batteries, and then there's a power adapter and all that good stuff. Here we go. Got the gloves on this time. And now here's kind of what it looks like on Amazon once you click that link. I got my USB extenders. Look at this screen though. This is super bright. But I watched a few movies on it already, and really impressed with it, guys. I should have got it for myself, but it's going into my office now, and that's where I do my art, my digital art stuff like that. So I mean, this thing can handle it. Gaming, I can hook up my Xbox, PS5, NES Switch to it. You name it, this thing can do it. You got the dual. I gotta get rid of the old monitor. So see right there is my other keyboard and my mouse. But yeah, it is really nice. Nice screen. It's not a touch screen, but look at the detail. The colors, perfect. Definitely happy with this one. Can't wait to see what else they come out with near future. Maybe a gaming laptop. I'm not sure what I need next, but I'm happy with these all-in-one desktops. No disc. It's straight digital, so it makes it easier. And there's that charging base. So look, if you're looking for a great deal, they got Black Friday deals, Cyber Mondays. You might want to buy external hard drives just in case you Depends on what you do with video editing. You never know. So I just got to hook it up to my printer next, and that's the final step. You guys be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy out there. See ya.